Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. So today we are in a different, it's not a different room, it's still my bedroom. But my husband surprised me with a ring light. So I don't have to film in front of my window anymore. I would like to do that from time to time if the light outside permit it. But today it is rainy, so I think it's absolutely perfect. What do you think? Is the light good or not? You tell me down below on the comment, please. And let's begin. I want today to do the makeup of Ariana Grande in her video clip Positions because I think it's really pretty. And I really like the foxy eyes trend that we have going on. I think it's really flattering, and as I already have almond shape eyes, I think it's good for me. So let's begin. For the beginning I will just do my face with the guys but without talking, and then I will talk at some point. So let's go. So I am noticing that on camera with the light on, I have the impression, I hope it's not like that for you guys, but I have the impression to be like white. It's not the case in real life, okay? I don't have a white face. I'm really hoping that you don't see what I see on my camera. So I will put the bronzer really like that, as Ariana has in her video or in this picture. Very going down, not right here, but a little bit across the nose. To add even more structure. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's pouring outside. I'm loving the sound. I think it's really comforting when it's raining and you're at home. You don't have to go anywhere. Plus, we are in quarantine here in France, so we can't move. But yeah, you're warm at home. It's raining. I think it's such a cozy feeling. Or is it just me? I'll take this powder from Hourglass to clean a little bit. I'm not baking, it's just to add structure. Okay, I think I am less white than before. And And same, I will really concentrate the blush in that angle. Okay, so for the eyes, I am taking the brown pencil. And first, I will do a line in direction of my brows, going till the end of my eyes. And as I have hooded eyes, I think I will do the line with my eyes open to see where we can see the line. And then I'm joining the lines together and I'm stopping at the middle. I'll take a brush and I'm slightly gonna blend. It's a little bit messy at the moment, but we will clean after. I will continue with the brown from this palette by Juvia's Place, the Nambian 3 Coral. It's brown right here. A little warm, but not too much. It is this one. And then I will go with another brown, this one, from Urban Decay in this Naked Mini Naked Petite Hit palette. This brown. So first this one to blend the line, and with a more fluffy brush, this brown after. And for this part, I'm really trying to stay outside the line and not inside the lid. I'm blending upward. And then with what is left on the brush, I will go on the crease in the inner corner. Not too much though. I'm stopping at the brows. Yeah, stopping at the brows. So it doesn't look exactly the same because I don't have the same exact eyes. I have the impression that I have more skin on this eye, so you know, it's not exactly the same, but that's fine. And now with my base, I will clean up inside the shape that we did. I put it a little bit more of the brown pencil to be even more defined, and I'm taking the So Jaded palette from Colourpop, and I will be using my Precious. Every time that I'm saying that, I'm thinking of Gollum, you know, in the Lord of the Rings. If you don't know, then you're not my friend. No, you're welcome to stay, but just go watch the Lord of the Rings. Anyway, this color, it's like a cream, and I will place it where we put the base. In the picture that I'm watching for reference, it's even more white than this cream. So I will see if I have another color that will match even more. I will try the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe, their certified color. Oh yeah, yeah, that's better. I want to try something with the So Jaded palette again. I will take the color Jasper. It's a warmer brown. And with a angled brush, I want like to set the liner that we have going on. I think she has a little bit of highlight right here. I think in the So Jaded palette, I'm gonna take the color Pearl right here. Right here, I will put the color, but just a little bit. For under the eyes, I'm still gonna use this brown pencil. I don't know why, it's always this eye that is, I'm always crying. Compared to this eye, it was not an issue at all. And here, I'm just touching my eye and bloop, I'm like crying. I'm like, what? She does have a baby liner. I will try to do it. It is not my forte at all, but I will try. I am using the eyeliner from NYX. It's the matte liquid liner. Here you go. And for the lips, I think I will use Alamar Dulce. And I have this one from Arc-en-Ciel in the color Brun Rosé, because it's a little bit too brown, I think. And I will use the Bourjois. It's a Rouge Edition Velvet in the color number 10. It's Don't Pick of It. That's funny. And here is the final result. I really like it. Let me check. We don't see much with the lashes. They're quite big, but I think that she had quite big lashes as well in her video. What do you think? Too big, the lashes, or not? I don't know. If I'm closing the eyes, we can definitely see the look. I will just have to walk in the house like that. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, that it was helpful for you. Put a like on it if it is the case, that really helped me. Share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.